Okay, here's a quick video of how this phone is wired. So, tip for line 1, ring for line 1, tip for line 2, ring for line 2. The blue-white pair is coming from the line cord, brown-white pair coming from the line cord. The green and red are line 1 input to the switch. Same thing with black and yellow for line 2. Then down under here is the ground input from the cable. There's a yellow wire that goes to the hook switch, and also slate violet going to the speakerphone. Then over here underneath the switch, there's the return from the hook switch and also the return from the speakerphone. Then there is a white wire connected to that, which goes through and goes to the common contact here. And then there's a black wire that is the inner, that is a return and goes to this, which then in turn goes through the switch for either line 1 or line 2, and then there's an output from the switch, which is pretty easy to find down in here for line 1 and line 2. There's also a brown wire that's capped off underneath the dial for the other side of this, as well as the other contacts for that switch. There's also a blue-white signaling pair for this switch that are down under here.